In front of me is HONOR MagicPad tool, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on this icon of a color palette at the top of it. Now you can click on any of those themes to pick a perfect one for you. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher. And when you're ready, hit apply. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, the theme of my keyboard has changed. To customize it though, go back to the same settings. And this one, select plus icon under my themes. Now click on the photo you wish to apply as your new keyboard's background. I will go with this one. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move, and when you're ready, select next. Adjust the brightness by swiping left or right. Hit done. Manage key borders and tap on apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!